The company I will introduce today is Seoul Machinery Co., Ltd., which has been manufacturing industrial machinery and plants in the fields of oil, gas, chemicals, steel, energy, and renewable energy for over 40 years. Since its establishment in 1983, it has gained high trust, both domestically and internationally, in the production of high-tech customized equipment and special material facilities. Seoul Machinery operates under the motto, "If we work with one heart and one mind, we can achieve it." Quality improvement, building customer trust, developing talent capabilities, operated with the goal of sustainable growth. The factory in the Seokman National Industrial Complex in Dangjin, Cheongnam, covers an area of 23,991 m² and is equipped with a one-stop production system from design to manufacturing, welding, and inspection, demonstrating exceptional competitiveness in the production of high-temperature and high-pressure vessels and special material equipment. The competitiveness of Seoul Machinery industry can be divided into three main areas. 1. Expertise in manufacturing high-difficulty plant equipment. We reliably produce complex equipment such as reactors, towers and columns, and high-pressure vessels. 2. International standards compliance and one-stop production system global certifications, including ASME UU2S, NB, ISO 45001, LUN 4001. Full process from design to manufacturing, welding, NDE, and quality inspection is performed in-house. 3. Special material processing and customized engineering solutions. Experience in processing various special materials such as duplex, super duplex, alloy steel, and stainless steel customized design provided using specialized design programs like Compress and PV Elite. The main product lines of Seoul Machinery are as follows: heat exchangers, pressure vessels, reactors, towers and columns, drums and tanks, package units. Other industrial plant equipment: maximum pressure, 200 mm maximum weight, 350 tons maximum length, 18 maximum diameter, 18 annual production capacity, 20,000 tons. Thanks to this strong production capacity, we have established ourselves as a trusted partner in large domestic and international plant projects. Seoul Machinery industry strictly adheres to international standards in terms of safety, quality, and environmental management. ASME UU2, SNBR UU2, SEL ISO 45001, Occupational Health and Safety Management, ISO 14001, Environmental Management. Through these certifications, we secure the trust of global customers and maintain the highest standards in safety and quality. Seoul Machinery industry has carried out various projects based on over 40 years of experience, including petrochemical plants, gas storage facilities, and power plant equipment. In particular, we hold the highest level of performance in the domestic market for the production of high-pressure and large-pressure vessels, as well as special material plant equipment. For example, major domestic petrochemical plants, gas treatment facilities, power plant equipment. Seoul Machinery will continue to grow into a global-level plant manufacturing company through advanced technology and future-oriented equipment investment. Please look forward to the future of Seoul Machinery, which prioritizes customer trust and quality, and is poised to leap to the top in the production of special materials and high-difficulty equipment, becoming a world-class company.